Welcome, 3D modeling enthusiasts and classic truck lovers. Today, we're thrilled to present a true digital gem, the Ford L9000. This isn't just a 3D model. It's a meticulous and passionate recreation of a road icon designed to capture the essence of this legendary truck throughout its various eras. We've invested countless hours into every detail, crafting 6 distinct versions of the hood and headlights, so this Ford L9000 can adapt to the different variants released over the years. From the classic front end to the vintage-style rear box, every element has been carefully modeled to offer unmatched authenticity, unmatched detail and engineering. But we didn't stop there. This model features a tandem configuration, incorporating the robust Hendrickson RT steel leaf spring rear suspension system, renowned for its durability and performance. Up front, we've faithfully replicated Ford's own suspension for this type of truck, ensuring an accurate representation of its original engineering, designed for flexibility and functionality. For those looking to expand their projects or develop mods, ease of manipulation was a top priority. Every mesh in the model is separated by materials, allowing for simple and efficient editing. Plus, the doors are organized into separate folders and parented by empties in the Blender directory, just like the steering wheel, making animation and integration into any scene a breeze. And for those concerned with functionality, the rims and wheels are perfectly aligned on the X and Y axis, allowing for smooth, error-free rotation on the X-axis. Modern realism with PBR materials. While the model with history, we haven't skimped on modern details. Inside, you'll find Unique PBR, physically based rendering, materials for elements like the carpets, seat leather, door fabric, and tire sidewalls, giving a contemporary touch of realism that highlights the quality of every texture. Own this digital masterpiece. This Ford L9000 3D model is more than just a model. It's a digital collector's item, ready to bring your renders, animations, or simulations to life. If you're a 3D artist, a game developer, or simply an admirer of classic trucks, this model offers a solid foundation for your projects. You can find this incredible Ford truck 3D model available for purchase on CG Trader, RenderHub, and Blender Market. Don't miss the opportunity to add this masterpiece to your 3D asset library. Remember, to respect copyright, we haven't included any logos or brand names in the model. We hope you enjoyed this detailed look at our Ford L9000. If you have any questions or want to see more of our work, feel free to leave a comment. What other classic truck would you like to see modeled with this level of detail?